In this episode, I'm talking about what makes a Lemon and the Sea website stand out from any other website that you can get. My mission at Lemon and the Sea is to create websites for experts who are transforming lives and making an impact. I believe that websites are the #1 piece of any marketing funnel, and that a great website will help you find more right fit clients so you can worry less about how to fill your calendar and spend more time with your friends and your family. I want you to be able to take over managing your website or hand it off to your team instead of being dependent on working with me every time you need to update your design after your VIP day. So what makes a Lemon and the Sea website different? What makes it stand out? The first thing is you will get a thoughtful custom design. Every website that I work on is a custom design. I don't use templates. I don't copy somebody else's design. We are starting from scratch based on your business, your copy, your images, and your inspiration. And we are creating a design that is unique to your business. I then combine strategy with that design so that it fits your brand, but it also converts leads into clients. I can create in any design aesthetic. I have worked with clients in all types of industries with all types of brands. So I know how to take the strategy that you need and give it the look that fits your business and your personality and your clients. The second thing that makes a Lemon and the Sea website stand out is the high quality of the design. We are using high quality images, design that works on all screen sizes and is thoughtfully created for both desktop and mobile. I will use simple plugins as needed, but without overcomplicating or slowing down your website. They load quickly, they work great, and they are designed to fit your business, not to follow trends. I want this website to stay with you for years, instead of you feeling like you have to update it every 6 months because it's out of date, because something doesn't work, or because the trends have changed. The whole point of having a website that fits your brand and your business is that it can grow with you and stay with your business no matter what everybody else is trying out online. The third thing that makes it stand out is the intuitive user experience. All of my websites are designed to strategically make it easy for potential clients to learn about your business and then take action towards working with you. That's why I design simple websites with specific pages that give people the information they need without overloading them and move them on a journey towards working with you that will convert them into right fit clients quickly. And the fourth thing that makes a Lemon and the Sea website stand out is that it is set up for growth. I work in Kajabi and Squarespace, which means that the platforms that I have chosen make it easy to add e-commerce, connect to newsletters, write a blog, add new pages. Your website can grow with you. The designs that I create can also be used as templates for new pages. So if you create a new service or a new offer, you can use what we have already created as a template so that you can get that off the ground faster. And you get an entire library of tutorials and a custom tutorial for your site that make it easy to learn how to make edits on your own or hand them off to your team. That way, you are never dependent on working with me if you just want to change an image or update the copy. You have the ability to do that on your own. And you know that even as you are making those changes, you have the information that you need to make sure that it's all still going to work. And the foundation is strong because we have thoughtfully designed a website that looks and feels like your business and will convert the right fit clients faster for you. If you're ready to learn more about my VIP day process, you can go to lemonandthesea.com to hear all about the process and to apply for your VIP day now.